What up, YouTube? What up, TikTok? Today's trade was insane. Yeah. What's happening, you guys? Let's have a real quick look here. We might need to strap in for a sell in a minute here. What's up, you guys? Yeah, that's what I'm seeing right now, Shem. I'm just trying to... I haven't really done much of an overview, but fuck, there's a target down here to hit. Let me get a quick pulse here. 4 hour bearish. Like we just hit a 4 hour support level. We're moving down aggressively. 30 minutes about to close. I think if we can get a bit more strength in this candle here, or if it can hang out similar to what it was when it was down here, we could be looking at a sell here on gold right off the bat. Can buy, Daniel? No, you can't buy. What up, what up, what up? What's up, you guys? Master Bluey. Yeah, see, this is now it's turned a bit bitch here, this candle. Like it's pulled back a bit too much. Let me see on Forex. Oh. Yeah. I mean, it did a similar thing here, but I was gonna say, like, when it did that here, where the 4 hour, where the red was kind of too bitch, it still dropped. But this is even smaller than that. Happy Friday. I can't believe it's Friday. I know it's like a really annoying thing to say, but I just felt like it went really quick. What up, Brad? What up, Logan? Ariel? Young Ty, what up? What up, cuz? Have any of you guys shown love to that latest YouTube video I put up? Podcast with Young Ty over there. I posted a podcast with Ty. He's only 19. Killing the rap game. You can see it right here. It's labeled 35,000 US dollars in 3 weeks at 19 years old. Seen it? It was great. Nice. Great podcast. Awesome. Yeah, I moved houses. All right. Do we want to take a sell here or what? I kind of like how the 30 looks. Our wick. It's not a very good setup. Let me make my mind up as it approaches. 40 pip stop. Well, I guess I have no choice now. Fuck. Oh, shit the bed. Like, I like it, but I guess I didn't go that heavy at all, really. Yeah. I mean, this could be a quick crucifixion, to be honest. This could be a quickie. I mean, lucky I didn't go too heavy. We're only 2 minutes in. Yeah, that's probably like the gayest shit you could ever be a part of. Like to view a good video? Yeah, exactly, man. Imagine being 19 and being able to just do that. It's wild. Like, can you get any worse scenario where I put a thing there and I go, you know what, I'm going to decide whether I want to do this, and then it tags you and then just tags you out. Hey, bro, at least, like, don't move 45 pips in a second type shit. Add this to bloopers. Yeah, legit. I mean, I might give it a second chance. We'll see. Don't wish we had the possibility. I mean, we did have the possibility. But it's, yeah, I was a degenerate at 19. I was Ellen DeGeneres. NQ. Wow. Is that all time? Yeah, we're back at all time highs kind of thing. What up, Pez? How was your first stream there, brother? Oh, have I just glitched out? Damn. Wow. I have to do something. I have to use an alternative camera. Yeah, I have to switch the game up in a second. Hang on. W streamer. W streamer. Fuck's sake. Remember your DM? Yeah. Yeah, one sec. Wow. Nearly there. One sec. Hmm. Bruh. Super annoying. I don't know. It's for some reason it's not working. Alright, whatever. Oh, I can't even fucking hide myself. Retard. Yeah. All right, man. Let's see what happens here. Oh, I actually spoke to that chick. I didn't see the video though. Was it good, Pez? Oh, no way, Shem. Thank you, bro. This is wild that this doesn't work.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was.
What's that 30 looking like?
I won't be angry, regret.
Yeah, ugly stuff here.
Only smile on my own and just know I overcame the hardest thing in my life.
Ugly stuff here so far.
It's hard
We'll
to
see.
justify unless you walk the path that I've strolled.
Yeah. I mean, I'm trying to do the way I used to do it, but it's just not working.
And everyone will tell you to change. Stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same. It's not that easy. And it's not okay. And I know you didn't plan this route today. But we all
I mean, just fuck off.
took for love, but got thrown out to the wolves. Never was enough.
Yeah, camera hit SL. Connect, bro. Nothing on NQ. MGC is the only hope. Yes, sir. Guest invite link. So I send this to my camera. It's not working. Whatever. All right, all good, all good. Fuck it. Fuck it. So yeah, I guess we'll mark this level. I guess maybe, I mean, if a candle breaks below this, we could think about something. That's as good as we're going to get at this point. Yeah, it's as good as we're going to get at this point, chat. All right, let's lock in. This wolf bites back. It's actually you. W3, bro. I'll be one of those faceless creators. Shem's been freaking shaking his boots for the last half an hour. Great discussion podcast with Ty next time. Just remember to change the name of the... I know, it's so funny, right? Nah, the reality is that is actually Pez. Pez has gone through some changes. Where is the signal? How about you? Fuck off! How about that? You know what I mean? You are... Yeah, don't aggravate this wolf. Tell us exactly how to trade for free. So we enter sell. Bro, Please tell me, like, I love you, but tell me why in capitals you say so at the start of that, as if we had already discussed that we're going to do this and things like that. Like, you can see me, I'm a wolf. Grr. I kind of just want this to be stuck in this range for like 4 hours so Shem can... Nah, that's mean. I shouldn't say that. I actually wanted to break below because I want to sell. Come to Pakistan? Yeah. So we entered the... You're a kangaroo and a wolf? Yeah. That's true. 5 minutes on the clock. I mean, maybe I should have done what Shem did. You know what? I should have done what Shem did. Because if I was going to aim for a target of 78 ticks, then I needed to have a stop loss of around that as well. I think I made a mistake there. I think I made a mistake there. I think I made a mistake by doing that. Although this candle closing like that isn't what I would have wanted anyway, but... You did the potty with the youngest trader in New Zealand. How about the one with the oldest trader in the world? Yes, sir. We're not ageist around here. We're not ageists. I'd go to BE if I was... I'll do whatever you want, actually. I don't know. See, Shem, that goes to show. All you need to do is keep moving your stop loss. No, I think you did the right thing there. I think I didn't. I don't think I did the right thing by putting my stop loss where I did. Maybe I did. It did wick up first. I guess there's multiple approaches you could have taken there. I guess there's multiple sclerosis you could have done there. Now that a lot of this range is kind of filled, it's a bit invalid. W. And now it'll just drop 4 billion pips. Don't joke about multiple sclerosis, man. It's a horrible disease. I have it. I'm one of your followers. I would kindly ask you to fund me if there's $100. So if I follow you, can you kindly fund me $100? Is that how it works? Yeah, but Shem, that's W, man. Like, to get out of that, at least you're not down like me, you know, $100 over 120 over 5 accounts. You know what I mean? Spam follow and unfollow for $100. Oh, look at this. Pass this to Shem. Yes. You guys, have you seen the podcast I did with Young Static? He's only 19, crushing it. And look, he's so rich, he's giving me a $6 donation in the YouTube chat. That's how rich he is now. He's giving donos. If you don't know. Yeah, Ty's probably giving me over $100 at this point. All right, there's a closure. Revenue. Look at this, $166 in the last. I wonder if I can see the revenue of donos. I've got about, I'm pretty sure I've got over 1,000 USD sitting in my YouTube account I need to withdraw. Oh, another rich guy in the chat. Another rich guy in the chat. Pezzo, we also did the pod with. Do you make around 10K from YouTube? Nah. If I had my if I had the revenue on during the live streams, which means you guys would get ads periodically, I would make around 1,000 US a month from the live streams. I mean, I could make probably, you know, at the moment 2,000 a month US from YouTube if I wanted to turn on ads for my videos and live streams, but I just don't. I don't turn monetization on. Yeah, it's not bad. And if you get like a video that goes relatively viral, like a lot of my shorts started to go viral. It took me an entire year to get one single viral short, and now I get heaps of viral shorts. Why not? I think it's annoying for you guys to get ads when you watch a live stream. It's kind of spammy. So I'm a nice guy. I said, you know what? Let's not give these guys that and I'll lose money for it. I'm losing money for you guys. I'm a loser. All right, so now we've got some clear levels at least, you guys. We have some clear levels to play with. It's playtime. I'm currently drinking a C4 mixed with electrolytes, mixed with amino acids. Don't sleep on your boy. Try and get another trade here. I mean, at the end of the day, you just got to wait for your setup and then click it. But statistically, I take 2 in a row, so we'll see what's up. Where do you live in Australia, Daniel? Dubai. I used to live in Brisbane, but now I live in... Habibi! Come to Dubai, Habibi! Let me shit on you! Sorry. Yeah, camera isn't off, bro. What do you mean? Seal? Somebody said seal with a question mark. Oh. T2 buy. Oh, NQ. Yeah, I was looking at that. I know there's a 15-minute resistance right there, though. If it engulfs that, I think that's for sure. But we've got 30 minutes on the clock. It's not going to happen. Maybe we could anticipate a continuation all the way up. If it, I mean, let's do that. If this can break above here, let's buy NQ. Any prop firm, bro, they're all good. Yeah, they're all good. I wonder how old you are. I mean, older than you probably think, unfortunately. Okay, let's see what these guys reckon. Hang on. Hello? Yes. Yes. Yeah, it's solved. Thank you. Bye-bye. Hey, I'm not going to lie. The amount of shit I've ordered online in Dubai, I'm not exaggerating. I'm not being a hater or negative. About 90% of chance that it's going to arrive broken and you have to send it back for a refund. It's remarkable how bad like the delivery's quick, but it's always broken or the wrong thing or... Anyway, that's my rant. So we need to try and get a setup here. We'll see what happens. Just signed up for Funded X, but the reviews are mixed. Yeah, you're gonna get that with any prop firm account. You're gonna get mixed reviews. Here's the thing, you guys. Everyone likes to complain about prop firms, but none of you guys are actually making money. So why are you complaining? Like, just trade the prop firm and you should be good to go. Right? That's it. Just trade it and you should be okay. Anything else, then there's nothing else. Just trade it, man. It's all good. Yeah, we had the right idea here, but okay, I'm trying to justify it now, but like structurally, it's so ugly. I would have got BE there if I held as well. So I would not be in a trade right now anyway. That's the smart thing to do. That would have been the smart thing to do, yeah. Nah, you did the right thing, Shem. I think you absolutely did the right thing, 100%. I would be a BE right now as well. Got 100K funded today. I'm up 5% in 3 days. I'm worried my payout will be rejected. Lol. Brother, think about it like this. Let's use Funded Next, for instance. They pay 3.5 million in payouts per week. And you're afraid that they're not going to pay you $500. It's all good, G. You know what I mean? Like, it's all good, baby. Oh, so Funded Next wanted to pay me 17,000 Australian dollars a month to promote them and shit. And I said, I just can't be fucked. And I said, thanks anyway. I'll keep you guys in mind. And then they sent another email. I think they're trying to counter my offer. Let's see what they said. Oh, look, I heard your concerns. Deal with my colleague. Could we schedule another quick call to work this out? If the deliverables are too much for you, we can definitely work on that. And if your expectations for 17K aren't met, we can talk about that as well. Damn. Oh, man. Shit. I wonder if I should do it now. They're going to give me more money for less work. It's pretty ugly through here, to be honest. Do it? Yeah, I might. I mean, no one's, yeah. Actually like how you read and talk about stuff on stream, pretty cool. Yeah, no, it's interesting. I tell you guys all the time, like the guys in the mentorship, I'm like, you guys, you know, people, there's this misconception in the trading industry that if you're a trader, you have to just be a motherfucking trader. If you do anything else, you're a scammer. And it's like, man, if you guys start like a social media presence, if you have an urge to do it and build an online presence, you can get extra income from outside sources like this, right? No, bro, if you do that, that means you're a scammer. It's like, hey, bro, is your brain broken? It's called business and making money. Don't you want to make more money? Oh, not to, it'd be 17K, and then not to mention the affiliate. So every 10% or 15% of every challenge that gets purchased with my code, which is a couple, it'll be like a lot of grand as well a month. Anyway. I mean, I don't want to, I just seen what's to the left here. It's a bit yucky, but we'll see. I'll put some text here. But I'll be brutally honest, I'm not a huge fan of breaks belows. Like if it breaks below, I don't think we're going to get a clean breakout. If it breaks above, I think we'll get a cleaner breakout. There's cleaner traffic above. Just do it. Do it for being. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a live stream drop a like for the live stream for the wolf stream. Camera broke. Anyone promoting anything requires a license, bro. What are you talking about? So chicks that promote makeup on their story need a license? Hey guys, everyone's been asking me what kind of blush I use. So in this video, I'm going to talk about this new product I've been using. Yeah, I will, Matt. I'll get solid codes for sure. Wait. 123 down is rough, brother. This is where we have different definitions of rough. Do you know how crazy it is that like 123 over multiple accounts sounds like a lot, but when you got accounts like mine, doesn't make a dent. That's so dick to say. Doesn't make a fucking dent. Humble, bro. I'm only saying that's interesting because that hasn't always been the case. You know what I mean? Me. Wouldn't make a dent. I need some more with my small account. Then just trade for years on end, progressively get better, increase the size with time naturally, and you'll get there. You know, I had a mentorship call the other day, and my guy had lost $2 million in the market over the last 10 years. And I said, brother, I love you, but we need to break this down into two parts. One, you've been self-sabotaging massively. And after a chat about that, he said, you know what? I know that. I know that. And I said, two, all that money, that $2 million, it's gone. You're never getting it back. I know it sucks to hear, but guess what? We're starting fresh right now. Clean slate. Click to the delete button. I just, you know, the Men in Black, how they flash that shit in your face? Ching! I flashed that shit in his face. That sounded wrong. And now it's a fresh start, my brothers. And sometimes you got to do that, man. If you go through tough streaks, a lot of people have it in this head, man, okay, I've spent this much on prop firms over the last 2 years. And if I just get this much and I get this much and I get it all back, and it's like, nah, G, forget about it. We're just chilling. We're just taking the next best trade. That's all. Why aren't you looking at the 30-minute? It has a breakout, right? Nah, it's a bitch ass breakout. So like that for me isn't a breakout. That's kind of like just a break below, but it's not strong. And I can never, yeah, the 15 is not bad for it, but yeah, it's just not strong enough. I didn't like how the 15 had already filled most of this range as well. Like see how the wick's all the way down here? My target would have been like there. So if I were to enter, I mean, you could argue to put it above there, but I just didn't like it. I think it wicked down first as well. No, it's just not it. Kept it real with him. Yeah. And he respected that. He said, man, I need to be kept real with, because he's a, you know, most people that do well off in business, he has this money because he's well off in business. They rather guys be real. What happened to the face cam? What do you mean? You can't see it? Sylvia! I transformed into my final form. Nah, my camera died. This wolf strikes back. Oh man, you guys, we've got Tom Aspinall this weekend. If Tom Aspinall doesn't win this weekend, I'm never watching UFC again, because it's just, I can't handle that much pain. He needs to win. Same, bro. I can't wait. Casper, but what if it goes up? Have you thought about that? Nah, I don't bet. I bet on the market, that's about it. Yeah, I bet on the market, that's all. I need to trade to feed my addiction, man. Come on, man. Is it a good idea to use all my life savings on Aspinall? Is it a good idea to put all my life savings into the market? I don't know about JDM versus Islam. It's a tough one. It's going to be a very difficult fight for Islam, I would say, though. Yeah, what a shame we got pinged out of this trade before. I mean, I'd be at BE right now anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Yeah, Aspinall's the favorite. Like, everyone thinks Aspinall's going to win. It's just like, what if he doesn't, kind of shit. Yeah. I'm waiting on 460, bro. There is so much stop loss yesterday. Don't 460. Yeah, but I mean, you'll be waiting a while, my G. Why don't you just trade instead of like, you know, just trade, my G. What if it goes up and then you're going to wait? If it's like ends up going up like this, like, are you going to be waiting? Oh, I'm still waiting for 460. It's coming back. And then you got to ask yourself this, brother. Think about this. What about all the stop losses under here? What about all the stop losses under here? Under here? How come they didn't get hit? Under here, under here, under here, under here. You know what I mean? So it's like, I'm sell bearish as well, but at some point you really have to look yourself in the mirror and say, I am a wolf. Form me in a 5-minute tweezer bottom. Last time I had tweezers in my bottom, I don't know what I was going to say then. Yeah, bro, I had a I took a sell. I took a sell over here. I'll show you in a second. I tried to hit him with the wolf sell. Because when I jumped onto stream, it looked like this, right? And I liked how it looked on the 30. The 30 had like some shit down here. The next one wicked up, and I said, you know what, man? I'll give it a crack. If it breaks the low there, the probability of it coming down and filling this range is pretty decent. And it came down, tagged me in, and then just went up in like 30 seconds. And in hindsight, like I put my stop there. I thought, what's the probability? In hindsight, if I put it there, I would have been safe. But even then, I still would have finished BE because it fucked around for a while. Yeah, most likely. That's what I was saying. If we get some sort of closure below, I don't think we're going to get it in like a pretty fashion. It's going to be like tough to catch. I like the way of your trading. Other traders are just so emotional on here. Really? Yeah. I mean, maybe I never watch any other traders. I'll be brutally honest. The only other live traders I've ever watched is Raja. I bet a Trade Sharp. And Aaron Trades. Yeah, the wolf's vicious, man. Don't fuck with the wolf. On TikTok, it's up close and personal. Yeah, that's what I mean, Paul. On the left down here, I didn't pay attention to how messy it is. It's very wiki and there's a bit of structure here as well. What about a Forex? You can see it's like a pretty heavy, there's some sort of 4-hour level here. Yeah, 30-minute. I think actually now I'm looking at this. I don't know. Let's just be patient. Like I said, it's not going to give us a clean breakout if it does go below. But we'll have to see. Do you know why Top Step haven't passed my 50K when I made 3,000 in 3 days? Maybe one of the days you did more than 50%. This is a much better level, you guys. This level gets me excited. That other level I wasn't interested in. Yeah, Ross, maybe check that you didn't get over 1,500 in one day. If so, you're going to have to put extra on the account or some shit, I think. The Wolf of Dubai. Grr. No, I can, Shem. What makes sense? I mean, Jack, yeah. But it's been a hot minute. I really need to get back into it. Wow, I'm milking the cell, bro. That sounded zesty. This is you to the cell position. All right, this is the cow. And you're down here milking it. Do cows have tails? I can't remember. Milk. Okay. Anyway. So yeah, below this level is going to be the one. Daniel, small help. I lost the last 2 days, all of my profits from this month, 2 days red. Any advice? Yeah, my advice is that that's very common. Right, so that's very common. And I was speaking about this yesterday on stream, is when I look back on my old FTMO accounts, you know, I'll be in a challenge for like 2 months, doing okay. And then one day the graph would it would look like this. My graph over 2 months would look like this, right? And then one day it would just look like that. So something goes wrong on that one day where everything goes pear-shaped. For me, it was a loss. I caught a loss at a time, and it affected me emotionally. Maybe I was feeling a bit off that day or whatever. So it takes so long as a trader, not so long, but it can be very difficult as a trader to, to get good at not letting that affect you. What are you going to do now? So that's why I say set physical barriers, like set a lockout limit. After 2 losses, I walk away. Or with Project X here, you can actually, it'll automatically lock you out after a certain amount of money lost a day and shit like that. Lost on my bug position. Oh, big position. Do you think you should wait for Monday? I mean, if you feel okay, as long as you actually acknowledge what went wrong. The biggest thing I see with a lot of traders is you fuck out, you make mistakes, you blow accounts, and then you get back on the horse and do the same thing again. It's like you got to really analyze what went wrong and make sure it doesn't happen again. Jesus was reliable. All right, looks like we're dropping. Drop city, bitch. How long we got? 4 minutes for this closure. We might have to get aggressive again. Where's your face? You can't see it? Cells were reliable. No, sir. The evidence suggests that Jesus was reliable. CPI? Yeah, but we don't even, news isn't even a news anymore since government shut. I think when government shut opens up, I think it's going to feel like there's more stability in the market. And typically when there's like more stability in the market, gold will go down. When there's fear and war and uncertainty in the market, gold goes up because everyone flees to it as a safe haven for. So I don't know. We'll see. Who gives a shit? Wait, what do you mean, Fatma? Fat me? Fatima? Fat me? I'm fucking autistic, man. How is there 400 people, 407 on YouTube and 400 on TikTok? Like, this has to be more than a coincidence. That happens all the time. I keep hearing a lot about silver lately. You're just walking down the street. Yeah, what's a silver? Silver, yeah. Did you hear Susie's pregnant? Yeah, silver. Yeah, silver. Ordinary. I took buys there. Anya trades, anal trades. Yeah, Anya. I think she just finished a $400,000 trade day with 20 charts. All right, man, we've got 2 minutes here. Let's see what's up. That is major level here on foreign exchange. Major level, which is cool to be at. It's pretty fun. Like genuinely. Please explain bottom resistance. Bottom resistance is based on this structure here. And then below that, we have clean traffic for at least to here, right? So that's why I'm marking it mainly because of this shit, this area here. And the fact that below that, we have a lot of clean range. Yeah. Make a video about how to mark valid support and resistance. Yeah, I do get that asked a lot. I'll have to get onto that at some point. China. Make me laugh today. Oh, yeah. I'm just wolfed out today. Oh, it's a 30-minute closure as well. Okay. Dude, let's trade. Fuck yeah, bro. Let's just click the button. Woo! Yeah, waiting for this closure. Imagine a teenager looking at you right now with their parents seeing a furry trader. No, they would see a vicious weapon. Bro, short, damn it. I want a short, bro, but I need to wait for an opportunity. I need structural opportunities. I want to short the market, bro. Trust me. Oh, damn it. We forgot about NQ. Oh, okay. Okay. NQ tapped into that level. It failed to break above. Coolio. Who remembers Coolio, the rapper? Sell now, everyone, with a laugh face. So you're laughing at us like you're just so smart and you're telling everyone, sell, you silly peasants. Let's see your monthly P&L. Sell now. Now you've even got Sylvia onto it. All right, so we failed to close below, but that doesn't mean the story's over. If we get, I'm telling you guys, if we get this, I'm risking my entire account on a sell position with the sell stop sitting right there. I know we didn't technically break below, but I think there should be enough bang bang bananas in the market to do it. Seal, seal, seal. Where the fuck is the seal? It's Friday. Yeah, man, how the hell is it Friday? Like, what the frick? I'm ordering a few fat payouts for my Friday, actually. You know what? Fuck it. I'm going to order a few in. NQ looks nice on the hour, but not so much on the others for sells. Click and forget. Yeah, that can go real bad. Bay. Bay or seal. I've been saying all week that I've been very skeptical on this level down here. I don't know if we're going there, but yeah, I just skepticism, slitherism. Please, what's the best time frame for this concept? The best time frame is probably the 15 to sit on, but then we use the higher time frames for an overview. So I'll always start on the daily, the 4 hour, and work my way down. Look at this 4 hour level, unbelievable. You know, work my way down to build a bias, and then I chill on the 15. And if I get closures that make sense, then I start doing things. Yeah, blame it on static. You see NQ time frame, why not make all-time high the same on top step? Brother, like, you know what I mean? What? I can't just fill in the blanks, you know what I mean? Of what you think. You can say, you see on NQ time frame, why not make all-time same on top step X? Or you could say, you know, NQ's near all-time highs. Fucking, anyway.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person.
Brother, you know what I mean? Exactly, that's my point. Maybe I know what you mean, but it's annoying that you don't put the effort in to explain it properly. Why do I have to fill in the blanks?
Only smile on my own and just know I overcame
It's a hard life,
life that I've ever known.
being a streamer.
It's hard to justify.
I'm not even a trader, I'm a streamer, bro.
You keep telling yourself tomorrow is the day you'll let go.
You're getting attacked by a wolf.
Everyone will tell you to change. Stop being this way. And inside you're gripping your fucking hair, screaming out the same.
Yeah, I'm on a roast sesh. Come on, Gold, please be a good boy. Like, be a good wolf.
That's not okay.
Just let us play.
And I know you didn't plan this route today. We all
Let us
take
play.
the life that we took for love, but got thrown out to the wolves.
Yay! Doesn't want to let us play. Fuck yes! Woo! Let's go! I mean, it's not over till the freaking account's blown. So I don't know. Let's just be patient. Let's see what happens here. Anything can happen. I've seen crazier shit. We're really at that crazy 4-hour level, man. Looks different on Forex, but still a super duper level here. Super. How much have you made? Laugh face, laugh face, laugh face. Bro. Bro. You know what I mean? Like, yeah, dubbed stat www.loveyg. Please just keep dropping. We don't want a chance to trade you. All good. Oh, gee. All good. I mean, what is this drop from London? We've already come down 350 pips. This is, I guess it's not that surprising at this point with gold. What do you got for us, NQ? Anything? I guess this is a level here. We'll keep an eye on it. We've got to think about it like this. If gold was to reject back up, if gold was to reject, let's see how this candle closes. It's going to tell us a lot. Yeah, Kovakis, something like that would be dope. You feel like sometimes a stream distracts you from trading? No, never. Because I know where I'm looking for. Like if I wasn't on the stream, I wouldn't even be looking at the chart. I just wait. I only really start to take it serious when the candle gets closer to being closed because I know what I need to see. It's not like me staring at this candle like, okay, oh shit, it's moving up. No, it's down. Okay, well, I'm going to like, it doesn't work like that. Like, I know what I need to see. So until then, we can talk about wolves and fucking ostriches. Tell us what you need to see. Well, I'll tell you as the candle starts to get closer to getting closed because I could tell you what I need to see now, but then within the 7-minute time frame that it's still got left on the clock, it massively changes, and then I just wasted all my energy envisioning something. And the more you envision something while it's been developed, the more you start to get tied to the idea of that happening, and that's not a good way to go because you can start to get, you know, stuck on your bias. Bias B and Lazy Gray have done it. Ordinary. The angels up in the damn. First time copying trading over 3x of okay, recommended size. I wouldn't recommend size for you, but W. Double poo. All right, man, we've got 5 minutes on this clock. Let's see what's up. Here's the thing, guys. Let's say we hang out, we don't get a thing, and then you go, oh man, and you start hanging out for closer to New York and shit like that. It's Friday, bro. Like, be happy to call it a day after London on a Friday. Because typically New York on Friday is trash anyway. Nick, what do you mean? Why would I be worried? Like, I don't have a buy position or anything that I'm worried about. It's not like I'm holding buys, like, please don't come down here. Iro, do you think SNR indicators on TradingView help? No. You don't need indicators for that. You don't need indicators for that, my G. There's news today, but I don't know if news is going to be in effect because of the government shutdown. Wow, this is tough. This is tough. It's one of those days, you guys. If only we held sells before. Yeah, it's very overextended at this point. Fuck me. Wow, fuck me. Fucking donkey. You're an idiot sandwich. There's a chance of rejection to go up to the upside if you're looking for short, bro. There's a chance of anything. We'll see what happens. Yeah, we'll give it a 3 minutes, see how this closes. So there's no system whatsoever, catch up, super extended breakout. I mean, yeah, there is a there's a method for super extended breakouts, but it's like if we look at this and say this was a breakout level, just say it was a normal breakout level, like fucking like this, right? And we say, oh man, look at overextended. Like say this was the level there and it overextended like this. You can't, there's no like, oh, it wicked down like, and then it takes off and you buy. Like it's no longer a breakout. Like it's no longer a trade opportunity. You just have to wait after that. And typically what we'll do is wait for a pullback and then something similar to this being presented and then impulse buy it on the way back up, right? Like this. So this is no longer a trade, but what comes after that typically works out to an even better trade. Yeah. I mean, it was pretty obvious this morning that it was going to do this, but look, it's just bending. Rainbow strat, yes sir. Do you know what it means if price make bullet? Do you know what it means if price makes bullet? Shoot. Stay blessed with you too, my brother. Price go bang. Hey, you guys on YouTube, make sure you drop a thumbs up for the live stream, please. It's the only way I feed my family. Through likes and validation. Bullet goes fast, gun go bang, bullet go yes by yourself. You on YouTube live? Yeah, I'm live on YouTube every day. I'm live there right now. If you type Daniel Holmes Trades into YouTube, you'll see my name with the little red circle around it. You click on that, you'll see my pretty wolf face. Love from Afghanistan. What up, my Afghan brother? Yeah, reacting to the lines. I'll make a video on it. Just keep watching the streams, you'll see, but I'll make a video on it soon. I've transcended into a wolf. All right, so we've got this closure here. We have a closure here, man. I mean, if somebody can look at this and be like, brother, there's such a good opportunity for a position right now, I would love to hear it. Because right now, it's just exactly what you see. We're looking at the same thing. It's a bit of a longer stream, but I'm gonna give us one more candle, man, because I kind of want to finish with one more trade under my belt. Hello, I'm from Ethiopia. Brother, welcome to the stream. Looks like price is gonna keep dumping. Yeah, 4,000, like gravitating below 4,000, back to 4,000 could be a good point. Yeah, for sure. Retest that level, grab like below these levels is stop loss central. I've been saying like for the last few days, like this level is extremely suspicious. No FOMO, yeah, no FOMO. Because here's the thing, let's say you get a trade here, you FOMO into a trade, you break your rules, you get 200 bucks, and you're like, oh yeah, that one worked out. How the fuck does that serve you over the next 10 years? Right? It doesn't. It just instills bad habits. Like I took a little whack little loss here earlier, and I could try and FOMO in to get it back, but it doesn't serve me, bro. See Barron Trump's the richest 19-year-old or some shit like that. Probably be pretty rich when your dad's the president. He just says, bye, I'm about to put a tweet out. Son, I want you to put a long position on. I'm about to tweet about fucking, ostriches going extinct. Put a bet on lean cattle. Yeah, man, it's crazy. Right. How many pips average are good as a trader? Like 15? Yeah, you can get 15 pips under your belt, you're crushing it. The market's a bit different now, the ranges are a bit bigger, but yeah, it doesn't matter how many pips you get, it just matters if your system's profitable or not. I think I might break. Hey brother, good to see you. Thank you for being here. Awesome to see your work. I've been putting in recently work. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Yeah, my camera died, so I had to transcend into a wolf today, but we're going to see what happens here on gold and see if we can get a trade. I'm here a bit longer just because it is the weekend. I want to see if I can snag one more before the market closes. So I'm willing to just completely FOMO into some bullshit trade. W internet. Do you make your money on trading or your mentorship? Both. Yeah, I make money on both. Fuck, man. The internet in Dubai as well. I keep complaining about Dubai. I love it, but god damn it, there's a lot of annoying shit here. Move to Thailand. I can't move into Sin City like that. I can't be surrounded by so much sin, bro. I can't be surrounded by that much sin, unfortunately. You know, I spent a lot of time in my life overcoming a lot of addictions and just bad addictive. I struggle. I'm an addictive person. I've had addictions. I guess I'm an addict. I would say maybe I'm an addict. And a big part of being an addict is to not be around triggers. Addicted to what? Latinas? Nah. Am I how you are? Like that, and how you are close with your face. Jesus way, true life, yes sir. What's the best platform to trade with? It depends what you mean, bro. Yeah, Dubai's awesome. There's no like, you can't, there's no way to get any ganja, anything like, any illegal. I mean, I never really did that too much, but ganja was always a bit of a kryptonite. Maybe it's a ganja, it's a marijuana. Hi bro, I joined the waitlist yesterday. Do we get an email soon? Yeah, nice. You'll get an email soon, my G. For sure. Awesome, bro. Oh, so that's the word. Okay, you do. Yep, we'll see you here, my bro. Is Andrew Tate actually fighting? You want a job here in Dubai? Why? I wouldn't want to. If you want just a normal job, but to do it in Dubai, I would say don't do that. There's nothing here that would make you interested in living in Dubai with a normal job. It would feel quite empty as well, I would say. I would say if you want to live in Dubai, you need to have like an income that's above a normal income. To be brutally honest. If you want if you just want a normal job, it'd be like, man, go somewhere like more tropical and there's cheaper and stuff. I also joined the waitlist. Someone from America said he works with you. Nice. Yep. I'm not talking smack, guys. This weekend, like these next couple of days, is your last chance to join the waitlist if you want to go in the waitlist to work with me one-on-one. During the mentorship. So I would say if you really want to get on board, this weekend is your last chance to join the waitlist, because the waitlist is going to give you opportunities that if once we launch and you're like, oh, I want to join now, you're not going to get the shit that the waitlist guys got. Yeah, regardless of if we can get you guys in, you will hear back from us regardless. Yeah. It'll be most likely this weekend. Dubai feels empty as a city? No, I'll tell you what it feels like. If you work a 9 to 5 here in Dubai and you're just kind of scraping by like most people are on a 9 to 5, I know that because I was. I'm my whole adult life working 9 to 5. I was living paycheck to paycheck. It would be no different in Dubai. Except you're in a fucking desert essentially with a lot of buildings and a lot of wealth and a lot of around. It's like, why be here? Go to like Bali or something, like somewhere it's more tropical maybe, or, you know, I think if I was in Dubai but I was broke as shit, it would feel soulless. But I'm not broke as shit, so I go to rooftop bars and, you know, I kind of can live a life that feels a bit more luxurious and fun. And I'm around like other successful people. I'll tell you one thing I've learned about Dubai since I moved here to Dubai. There's a lot of people, and it's not just Dubai, it's in the world, that value another individual based on how much money they make. And I think that's some of the bitch assest shit you can be. That's some of the bitch assest shit you can be. I've never been like that, and I still am not like that, even though I'm in Dubai and even though I'm, you know, I've got money. Come on, gold, don't do it to us. Yeah, you'll get that anywhere. Lots of people money, yeah. I don't know if we're going to get a chance here today, you guys. I mean, if this were to reject up and close small body green, I might have been interested in an impulse sell, but now it's getting a bit chop suey. Money is how you define someone's money. Oh man, please, I need this fucking trade, man. Please, please. Yeah, the meltdown. What do you mean by what is a good seller in Dubai? Bro, so what are you doing? Yeah, welcome to the TikTok chat. That's why I tell guys, come over to the YouTube stream if you want to take it serious. Because we get real serious on YouTube. Like living middle class life, it'd just be like anywhere in the world. You just make enough to scrape by and fucking hate your life. So I genuinely warning people who want to join Daniel. There are scammers on his name, so check the there's scammers on my name. You got to be careful. Is Bookmap helpful? No. You only look for 20 pips? Nah, not these days. Like since the market volatility has increased, we're probably looking for an average of 40 pips. Take partials, let the rest run type shit. He's trading lean cattle. What? What's the wolf for? What do you mean? That's me. YouTube channel name is the same as my TikTok name, Daniel Holmes Trades.
I know one day I'll look back and remember the person I was. The one who hid away his pain with the clutches of drugs.
David Holmes.
I won't be angry or regret.
2 minutes, 30-minute closure as well.
Hardest thing in my life.
I got this 30 level here as well.
It's hard to justify unless you walk the path that I've strolled.
Oh man.
Everyone will tell you to change. Just stop being this way.
Can I copy you and trade? If I say no, what's going to stop you from just doing it anyway? You know what I mean? Because you're watching. Because my answer would be no, but you're going to do it anyway, you little sneaky devil.
It's not okay. And I know you didn't plan this route today.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Oh shit, I'm pretty sure it's after this. We're about to wrap up. Is it? Did we book for right now?
To the wolves.
Yeah, we did, didn't we? All right. Yeah, we're about to wrap up. What does your mentorship involve? Well, firstly, you get a kiss on the lips from me. Yep. And that's it. Guys, nothing's happening here. what are we going to do? You know what I mean? Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. Unfortunately, there's not a ton here right now. And that's about it. Yeah. That's about it. So yeah, I got some one-on-ones to jump onto now anyway. I didn't expect to go for this long, actually. It's a bit unusual. But appreciate you guys. Have a good weekend. Don't force anything if you're, whatever. Don't force anything, and I'll catch up with you guys on Monday. Appreciate you for jumping on, and I'll see you then. Okay? Love you, gang. Appreciate you, gang. Peace out.